In this video, I will show you everything you can see on Gili Trawangan Island, including the beaches, scenic views, underwater statues, turtles, amazing snorkeling, and much more. I am on my way from the mainland of Bali to Gili Trawangan, which is one of three small round islands lined up next to each other. The Gili Islands are part of Indonesia, located northwest from Australia and southeast from China. Gili Trawangan is located just a 30-minute boat ride east from the island of Bali. When you get into the land area, you will see taxis run by horses.
I'm walking to my hotel here, and the first thing I've noticed is that there are no motorbikes here, only horses.
The government of Indonesia has made motorbikes illegal on the Gili Islands, which is great for the environment. Gili Trawangan is only about 2 kilometers wide and 2 kilometers long.
Only last month there was an earthquake that sort of destroyed this island.
I paid 200,000 rupiah for the hotel room, which is about $13 US.
I just got to the hotel room here, and since there are no motorbikes here on the island, I'm gonna try to get hold of a bicycle so I can start exploring.
The main religion is Islam, and you will hear people praying from the mosques.
I just got a bike and it's time to explore the island. I will go one lap around everything.
The island is very flat and dry in most areas.
I've been on the bike for about 10 minutes and I've almost made it halfway around the island. What an amazing day!
The good thing is that no matter where you live, you will always be close to the sea.
I am here on top of Gili Trawangan Island. Took me only about 10 minutes to get up here. I'm a little bit disappointed. Here's the cave.
There is one smaller hill on Gili Trawangan, and this location also serves as a safe spot when there has been an earthquake and tsunami warning.
It's a dry landscape here. It's a dry landscape here. It's kind of like a ghost town here. I haven't seen anybody for a while. Ceilings are cracked and the houses are totally tilted.
1 month earlier, there had been an earthquake on this island, and that explains why parts of the island were totally empty. Right outside the island, you have access to many amazing spots for snorkeling, and there are many turtles around in this area.
It's a pretty nice day here at Gili Trawangan. The weather is great and there's not so many people here, which kind of sucks because I would like to meet some people.
It's a very calm island, and a lot of people come to get their open water scuba diving certificate. The sun was about to set, and in the west part of the island you will have a very amazing sunset. You will also enjoy watching the horses play around in the water. In the background you can see the mountains and volcanoes in Bali. The next morning I woke up early to go fishing and then head out on a snorkeling trip together with a group of people. For 100,000 rupiah, they will take you out to many cool snorkeling spots. They say that the graveyard is the richest place on the planet. That's where you find all the hopes and dreams that were never fulfilled, the songs that were never sung, and the books that were never written. There are very many big turtles on Gili Trawangan, and the chances of seeing one are very high. Now I was about to set a new record for myself and free diving down to about 20 meters. At the bottom I saw more big turtles resting. We're here at Gili Island, and it's the island, one of the 3 Gili Islands. On the snorkeling trip, they take you to the other Gili Islands, but they look just the same. Now I was getting ready to go on a 4-night boat trip to Komodo Island.
2 million rupiah.
Oh, I just fell asleep too early. I didn't mean to go to sleep, but...
Please follow me on social media and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.